Lakteche County ma Isiolo koro giko ochuoyo kogno e winjruok mar doketich kod tend county no chalma koro okelo e giko ng'anyo margi ma osedhi nyime kuom thuolo mar ndalo 80 kagiloso e boma ma Isiolo kotelnegi kod jakom mar riwruog lakteche kono Dr. Kananu Kubai giwacho ni tend county ma Isiolo osingo mar rango makare midhiero magikadhe moriwo chwalo e ngas mamalo lakteche chiwo omenda mambalanga koda aluora mowinjore mar tich e kin mamoko. Dr. Kubai ochiwo chik ne lakteche ma osebedo e ng'anyo e gwengego mondo mi odoge tich ka chenro mar chwalo e ngas mamalo lakteche ibiro chaki e kind thuolo mar dwe achiel.
I am happy to inform the residents of Isiolo and fellow Kenyans that we are calling off the strike as KMPDU. We've come to an agreement with the county government. We are getting a commitment from the government that they are going to promote our doctors, that they'll address our welfare issues. They've hired 12 new doctors to help in the short staffing, and over and above all, they're procuring a medical cover for our doctors. So from tomorrow, residents of Isiolo, when you go to your hospitals, mtapata madaktari wetu wakiwa tayari kuwahudumia.
Our doctors to feel free to come back to our facilities and take care of our patients, take care of our clients, as this has taken a long time. We are grateful, actually, to the governor and the executive of Isiolo County for giving us the budget to implement this noble task.
It is my wish and my prayer that whatever we have discussed, whatever we have signed in this return to work formula to be implemented within the time frame, because an agreement without a time frame is now undefined.
And us on our side as county government, we shall ensure that their rights are taken care of, and we make sure that nobody's rights is going to be violated.
Now that we have ended the strike, let's go back, resume our duties, and everything will be well. And for our patients who have suffered all through, we apologize. We apologize and ask them to have that trust or to regain that trust.